Nothing. It doesn't make any sound. Nothing. I looked around. There's no switch. It doesn't come on. It doesn't power on. Nothing. It's just a box. It's just here. No matter what, I've been doing this for a few days now and nothing. I left it on. Nothing. It just... There you go. Yeah. I have a small office, very small office, and this little heater is perfect. It packs a powerful punch. It heats up my office quickly. It also oscillates. It has a nice safety feature because I have a granddaughter that always comes in. If it's tipped over, you can hear it just stops. And that's a great safety feature. Love it. Price is great. Output is great. Highly recommend it.
Lo compré para mi cuarto. Que empieza a hacer frío. Me gusta porque viene con control. Puedes cuadrar el tiempo. Además, oscila, se mueve. Y así calienta todo el ambiente. Cuando ya se siente sobre caliente, sobrecargado, se apaga solito. Me pareció súper bueno. Creo que acepté esta compra.